Indonesia. Where are you from? Tulad na ako, papasok ko ay, grabe talaga. Thank you, Hannah, for the roses. So who's from the Philippines? And who's from another country? Ugh, Korean represent. Oh my gosh, I think you can't do that on the live. Professor G. Thank you for your awesome Papa G. Sheesh. Thank you, thank you. Hmm? Naka ano? Thank you. Thank you so much for. Hello. Do you have any particular AKB48 songs you want to perform? I want to perform Ogoe Diamond. For sure. Hello. Yeah. Can you do Ogoe Diamond cover kahit OG audio? I don't think I can do that because it's gonna be copyrighted. I hope I don't know if they will do a Filipino version of Flying Get. Me too, me too. What Indonesian songs do you know? I know Rhapsody and 17 of JKT48 and Flying High, but that's not Indonesian. I also love Nikki, the singer from Indonesia. Let's go over. Logo Diamond Center, amen. Amen. Japan, never see you. Ang alin? Oh. I want me to dance it. Pwede, pwede. Is there a TikTok audio for Ogoe? You can do that. Watching from Korea, Masbate. Oh my goodness. Watching from New York. New York, Cubao. Ang sakit. That also, sakit. Sakit in Indonesia is also pain. And in Tagalog also is pain. Thank you, Chloe, for the finger heart. I'm lagging, aren't I? It's like delayed. Ne? Mm. Thank you, Papa Jesus, for the love you so much. Should we do it? Maybe next live na lang. Thank you, Spinner Plus, for the heart. Thank you, Ali, for the heart. May isa pa. Thank you, Henner, for the rose. Whoa. We're good. In the Philippines, it's just hot, very hot, or very cold, or flooding. Thank you, Eunice and Henner. Thank you, guys. Sukinanda, yes, I like Sukinanda. 하셨던 느낌만가 또또하고 너무나熱い 기모chi. Thank you. Hello. Hello, hello. Ogoe Diamond must be now and Tsukinanda, yes. You're also good. Ay, absent ulit sa work. Kanina pa ata tong mga to. Dahil sa quad live sa 2026. Live pa lang kami. O, ko hindi ang profile picture. Ay, kuya. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Miracle. Hindi ko kinaya yung sayaw kasi hindi ko siya nag-gets. I like 365 nature. Okay, me too. Me too. Thank you, Devin, for the 2026. Um, as a teacher, will not recommend teacher. Ay, meron ka ng papel. Dalang pangarap. Ito'y lumilipad. No, hindi na nakapos. Real. Let me update my Minecraft real quick. First Rabbit and Talulot. Me too. I love First Rabbit. Talulot. Oh, so because it's one of the songs that I first. Oh, yeah. Remember now. Okay. So the songs on Spotify, on the Spotify playlist for you guys. The songs that I progressively learned throughout my journey in MNL 48 and through Quadlip. So at the end of it, I'm gonna put Quadlip songs as well. And thank you, PJ, for the mark of love. So let me explain. The first songs that are not AKB48 related are songs that I usually hear or that I did before my MNL48 journey. So there's Clap Snap, That's What I Like Every Day, and Power Tala. Those are the songs. And then the rest are like um what I learned next. Ay Takata. Thank you, Henry, for the bubblegum. I didn't see again. Again, please. I wanna see. I wanna see. I wanna see. Samantala dyan, Cody. I didn't see the gum. I'm so sad. It's on the Instagram broadcast. So I'll just send it again later. This one is um more of the songs that I listen to throughout my MNL48 journey. So here there are from events, Christmas events, some special performances during events before, like You Can Stop the Beat, Fighter during the M2 concert. Santa Tell Me for Christmas concert, and then the rest are like during training sessions. So yeah, and then I'll be adding some more. If I can remember, you guys can send me DMs on the events that you remember. Dapat pati yung cover songs mo, Carlito up. Naku po. But it's a lot. If you have a list, can you send me? Thank you, Ali, for the 2026. Hi, Chloe. Thank you, Chloe, for the finger heart na. Avid fan of Polyps here in Cavite, solid M&Ms. Kulang sa kalam. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jobert. Terima kasih, Ray, for the love you so much. Wait. Thank you. Terima kasih. Yan mo, I got you. Yes, please. Thank you much, babe. Salamat na lang. Finally, it went through. Which one? Thank you. Thank you for me. Thank you, and for the love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Henner. Thank you, Tepen, for the love you so much. Thank you, Tepen. That and it didn't cancel. Ugak kamen ayam paptan martabak. Oh my gosh, I didn't understand. Wait. It means ayam pap and martabak very much. So cute! That's so cute, PJ. Thank you so much. Thank you, PJ, for the surfing penguin. Nah, that's so cute. That was so cute, like legit. When kaya ulit kita makikita collabs ko? More power. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. I hope that we get to travel then to different events in different spots in the Philippines. To see you next time. Thank you for the finger heart trophy and Chloe. Thank you for your awesome Chloe. And trophy for the finger heart. Mm, really do this, to be honest. Thank you, Edwin, for the heartbeat. Tara, Antipolo Collabs event. Ano? Thank you, thank you. Should we do? What should we do? I wanna try Minecraft. Should I relive for Minecraft? Another world. A whole new world. A thousand places and then I'm way up when I'm way up here. Thank you for different mission box. Hammer for the roses. Yun na lang, wag risk ng lag baka mag-end. Thank you, Henry, for the finger heart. Thank you. Hi. Yeah, that's why I like you guys making friends in the live stream as well. Because it's more fun to have moods that way. Yes. Here in the Philippines, we use, oh my gosh, I can't say the app because we're on TikTok, but it's the Blue app for messaging. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world with you. Thank you, Chloe, for the friendship necklace. Thank you. Take your time. Hey, it's okay. No problem. Lips challenge. Oh, yeah. They will announce winners in a bit as well. Thank you, Heather, for the love you so much. Mm. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, Ace Silan, for the heartbeat. Thank you, Roms, for the heart me and the Go Popular. Thank you, guys. Think, how should I do this? Should it be the mirror stream again? But I'm still charging it. Hold on. Let me do this. How's it gonna happen? Because I do the mirror stream like this, but I'm using the tab, so it's okay. How's that gonna work? Jajang. It's too small. Right. It's too small. Yes, it's Minecraft. Current song on repeat. Current song on repeat right now is. Let me check. How do you see that? Internet Girl by Katsai. For sure. I don't know why. I love it. I love it so much. Ever since I saw that video on TikTok that they performed it so well, I love Internet Girl by Katsai. Do the emoji like that. I should do the maybe. Gawa ka realms. Paano yun? Paano gumawa ng realms? And then, if I do it on realms, what's gonna happen? Oh, there's a 10. Oh, so you can join. Oh my gosh, it's expensive. Always online for you and your friends. Oh, okay, we can do that. But it's a monthly thing. Like, I'm in Minecraft. I'm I'm the housewife. I will cook your food. I can build your house. I can take care of the pets. I can farm for you, stuff like that. But I will not. Thank you, PJ, for the rose. Thank you, Pop. Thank you. Um, I will not hunt. I can hunt. Whoa. Thank you, Muliana, for the manifesting. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you, Jace Muff. Thank you. Thank you, Colin, for the heartbeat. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Aki, for the heartbeat. Thank you. Well, I'll try to do this right. rounds so we can play together. But just 10 people. Is that fine? Hello. Yeah, Minecraft. It's always online. Mag-relive ka pa, di na po. Okay na to. Okay na to. Hello, thank you, Jay Smile, for the love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Martabak manis. Kaya na, naglagay na naman si PJ ng treasure box. Hello. The game streaming mirror is now ready, I guess. No, no, no. I'm not gonna. I don't think I can. Hmm. Let's try. Right. I don't think. It'll be fun though. Maybe next time we'll do ano. We'll do the Minecraft here on the PC when it's all set up. Thank you, Edward, for the Bibinka glow stick and 2026. Thank you. Thank you for the you're awesome. Haven't you heard I'm the internet girl? Stay until the end of the live stream so you guys know the drill. Here, waka Minecraft server join kami. Yes, why not? Mm-mm. I can't. What is your name? Thank you, Caesar. Lucia. Thank you for the year. Awesome. Everybody's resting today. Is resting after the very strenuous activity yesterday. Thank you, Chloe and for the year. Awesome. And roses. Thank you. Violent District. It's good. Oh, sige, pwede. Hap, wala pa. Wala pang 100k talaga. Wala pa. Thank you, Kaiser. Wala in Tagalog means none. Not yet. Nothing. Thank you, Aki, for the roses. Thank you. Mwah. Papa 200k ko yung hearts. Today we'll finish after 2 hours. 2 hours stream tayo tonight. Every picture of me is on my guidance. Thank you, Blackjack, for the heartbeat. Which songs of MNL48 and Quad Lips? Thank you, Ronel, for the you're awesome. And the love you so much. Thank you. Okay, what? Which songs of MNL48 and Quad Lips you like most? Thank you, Trophy, for the love you so much. For MNL48, I love First Rabbit. The message of the song. I can relate to it so much and so long. And of course, High Tension, Green Flash. Go on. But number one is for sure First Rabbit. What ate means in Tagalog? Ate means older sister. Yes. Thank you, Chloe, for the rose. Before you end, can you do the post Why? Thank you, Lucia, for the you're awesome. Thank you, Jay Smile. Hello. Thank you, Pauline, for the rose. Thank you. We're okay. Thank you, Anne, for the you're awesome. And for the love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Etibak 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 represent. Thank you, Stefan, for the love you so much. And for the you're awesome. Again. Again. Thank you, Mark Atadel calling. And wait, I can see. Where is it? Thank you, Mark Atadel and Tepen and Rizky. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lucia. Hindi ko na ulit. Thank you, Lucia, for the you're awesome. Daw. Shout out daw. Baliktad tayo dito. It's the opposite here. But you can send gifts so I can shout out your name po. Thank you, John. I am John. Hindi ko nakita. Hindi ko na sa loob. Isa pa nga. Isa pa. Sorry, no. Thank you, Anne, for the you're awesome. The cat is so cute. I just have to copy it. Watch out. Did you do the arm pose fully? Not yet. Later, before we end. Usually before I end, I do poses. Thank you, Cham Cham. I'm back from Galactic Queen from another. Thank you. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Thank you, PJ, for the charmer bow. Hello ko yun. Wow. Thank you. Uwi na akong Pilipinas. Sorry. That's my vocal stim lately. Arm pros bago mag-end. Yes. Thank you, Jendy, for the love you so much. Wala akong makita pa. It's okay. We have another live tomorrow around 6 p.m. onwards anyway, so it's fine. Yan siya na. Okay. Bakit ang layo? Hindi, malapit lang pala. Anyway. Yes. Tomorrow. Terima kasih, DYUD. It's okay, really, it's okay. It's fine. Thank you, Traxxas, for the club cheers. Okay, so it's official. This TikTok fan club name is called Kulitans. Or Kakulitans. What? Which one? Oh yeah, Kulitan means, what is it in English? Kulitan. What is it in English? Filipino. Kulitan. Tease, sir. Teasing. Kakulitan. Naughtiness. Yes, Kulitan. And then, or, yeah. Yes, this is Kulitan Nights 2.0. This is Kulitan Nights 2.0. Yes, teasing one another. So, Kakulitan means someone you tease. with. So when you tease each other, something like that. Are you facing the toughest challenge in your career? I say there's always a challenge. Um, in general, like in this industry, and it's different every single time. So I would say that it's a constant thing. I'm not in. I'm not what to say. What facing the toughest challenge in your career, but it's always tough, and you always have to find your how to say motivation. You always have to find your discipline as well through that tough challenge in this career. What kind of teasing then? It's not bullying. Yes, it's not bullying. Maybe closer to being crazy to one another. It's not really. Like, yeah, I guess so. Something like that. Hello, Romeo. Hello, hello. Martabak manis. I like martabak. Ah, no, I like martabak asin. Something like that. Thank you, Romeo, for the heartbeat. Thank you. Yes, they often tease me. I think kulitan is untranslated, like giggling and kilig. I agree. It's fine. But you get the gist of it a little bit. What's important? Thank you, PJ, for the roses. Bakit ganyan yung goals ko? It resetted by itself. Mm-mm. Kulitan is so broad like kilig. Thank you. It's like you. Thank you, Hannah, for the roses. The back is nice. Ano daw? Kung mag-invade ka ng TikTok live sa former member ng AKB48 11th generation. Oh, kulitan sa bayahan mapas. Ayun. Mapas katabi. Uy. Walang jacket. Bawal. This is mine. Um, 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 invade ka ng former member ng AKB. Wala akong maintindihan to. Let's try. Thank you. Pero mas maganda si Cool. Thank you. I love Astro Boy. I love Astro Boy too. I think I watched a movie of it. Is it a movie or an episode? Maybe episode. Um, later nga, before we end nga ni. Thank you, Chloe, for the roses. Thank you. Wait, no, that's not finger heart. Thank you. Thank you, Trophy, for the finger hearts. Sana yung natuloy ako. Yeah. I think I watched the movie. Ibang rides. Hmm? As in AK rides. As in motorcycle rides. Roses, naging finger heart. I know. I'm confused na rin. May automatic na siya. Only post? What time is it now? Right now it's 9:38 p.m. Nicole is getting a little bit sleepy already. Just a little bit. And I'll think of topics we can talk about so that we can learn and know each other more. Yeah, this one, right? Because it's already someone else's. It's someone else's post already. Next up will be promotions, I believe, or the next. Maybe, not sure. Or some events, I'm not sure yet. Yes, those one are different. Second post, I love you. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you're right, you're right, you're right. Not yet midnight. Almost midnight. Hello. Tomorrow will be singing maybe or song. Let me see. Can you see? Yeah, maybe singing. Hello. Thank you, Ali. Ali, for the love you so much. Thank you. Ano pang sticker pwede to? Like, what sticker can we use to get this post? I want to love you so much. No, love you so much is also hard eh. Hmm. Hello. Ay, ito. Happy for the rosa. Thank you, Kuya Ashi, for the rose. Thank you. Terima kasih. I need a new pose. Oh my gosh. What pose? Thank you, Trophy, for the rosa. Thank you. Mm. Ah! Thank you, Alan. Grabe naman niya. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ali, for the you're awesome. Oh, finger hearts. La, 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 la. Ay, thank you po. Thank you po, thank you. Okay, sama-sama. Terima kasih. Top heart size. Let's aim for 150. Can we do 150? Meron din ito. This is kind of outdated already. My pumpkin. This is the pose I'm trying to do for love letter, but there's a microphone, so it looks a little bit silly, right? Uwi na ako ng Laguna. Ano yung mic mo? Yes, this is PNW. Oh yeah, people who went to. Yes, okay, I'm gonna say that now once you receive the light stick, I'm gonna replace it because I found a marker that can sign on the light stick. Is that a light stick? No, it's not. It's like a lamp. Star lamp. Lamp. I can sign on it already. So those who got the paper bag had this on it. And this is a musical symbol, more on quad lips related because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. That's the meaning. And then, if you received, the next time na because iba hindi pa naka-receive ng letter. Oh no, okay, tipid well. Wow. Thank you. This is the NW pala K18 from this TikTok. Did you know? Can we do? Every Tuesday ba tong kulitan naka-schedule? No. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thank you, Henner. Oh my gosh, thank you, Tepen, for the treasure boxes. Thank you, Henner. Oh, yan na, guys. Di na kayo mag-treasure box. Yes, it's in the broadcast. But I'm gonna experiment on what we'll do, and it still depends on my schedule that day. Indonesia for tap layar. Ooh. Which one? Where is it? On the BC. Am I lagging? Oh no, I'm sorry. My internet is not good. I'm lagging, I'm sorry. Tap layar. Thank you, Kumamong, for the bibingka. Kumamong-kun. Thank you. Di naman, really. Has an uncanny way to make you pause. Oh my gosh, I never lagged on my side. I'm confused now. I think it's your internet, maybe. Is it? We lag you, Polly. Hindi naman inakala ka pala makakasama ang hanap ko noon. I like that. I like that profile picture, BJ. Is this gonna be my post again? Because this went trending on on the Blue app long time ago when we sang on the Wish Bus ng Aeroplanong Papel. Not this one. This pose. Pangit ba sa ngayon? Mm-mm. I don't know why. I don't know why. Thank you, Chloe, for the rose. Thank you. Pink bounce ko. Yes, ito pink din bounce ko ulit. But this is supposed to be purple. Ano? No, tama. Dapat pink. But lighter pink. Yes. Yung bounce ko nun. Purple yung bounce ko nun. Nagmukhang, nagmukhang pink. Yes. Long time ago. Very long time ago already. Very much, Trixie, for the rose. Thank you. Thank you, Froppy, for the heart me. Namamakas ako, guys. I wanna get water. Wait. Kahit tumating namang panahon. Mahal kita, ako cinta mo. Mahal kita. Mahal ko kayo lahat, actually. Excuse me. Tara, badminton. Tara. When? When ulit? Ang saya. Super saya. Yesterday. You play paddle? Paddle? Thank you, Tepe. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Ang sakit ng katawan ko. Sakit ng upper body. Tumigil bigla. Ala, may lagging. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Ayun. Thank you, Ron Murphy. I love you so much. Thank you, Tepen. Thank you, guys. The new song of Quad Lips. The new song will be released. Maybe. I can't say. Lakas mo po maglaro. Uy, hindi ah. Just a little bit. But thank you for teaching me the basics. Thank you so much. Muntik na mahulog. Marunong ka ba magsalita ng Indonesian? Very little only. Arigato. Nag-letter ako napagpad ng quadrips. Yay! Handa kong gawin ang lahat. Kapinig ka lang. Walang ikit sa'yo. Buti pa ito ang babalik sa'yo. Tanging ikaw. Do you speak Ilocano? No, not really. When Quad Lips concert will come again in Bandung like last year? I'm not sure about that yet. Hopefully really soon. Although my family is from my dad's side, I think. My dad's dad side is from Ilocos Sur. Then my dad's mom's side is from Tacloban, Leyte. And then my mom's side is from Bicol, I think. But I was born in Manila. City girl yan siya, city girl. I hope the festival music will invite you and friends. I hope so too. Legit serious. Mamimiss ko yung love letter sa September na lang ulit balik. Why? Love letter is a love letter. It's not necessarily ano naman. A Christmas song. Just a little bit. We're in Manila. I was born and raised in QC, Quezon City. I'm technically part Ilocano. Live while we're young. In English tayo ay bata. Buhay. Mabuhay habang tayo ay bata. Mm. Di naman. Living Pasko lagi. Yes, I ate already. Yes, I'm from a lot, but we met here in Manila. Maybe. Wala kang gawin. Anong varsity jacket yan? It's Astro Boy po. Very random gift lang siya. Seven. Seven. I'm Spanish bread and Korean tea. Ayun, Korean tea. And my Christmas decor is staying up till Feb 2. Why Feb 2 though? Yes, but right now... Hold on. Thank you, Ron, for the TikTok and for the love you so much. Thank you po. Uy, mama mo. Na LSS tuloy ako. Hello, Heartless. I don't think you're heartless though. Lag din? Really ba? Thank you, I'm not PJ for the heart me. Thank you. Can't wait me avail as the next collapse. I'ma look and do something different. Tapos you judge. Ooh, I wanna see that. Thank you, Kangkong, for the I love you. Thank you. Ah, I see. So for the I love you, it's gonna be this. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Oh, I see. Lag nga ni, parang robot oh. Eh, are you serious? I'm lagging daw? Really? I saw them playing badminton. Hello. May lagging? No, not lagging. Not lagging na. Not lagging daw. W. I'm gonna end the live in a few minutes now. I'm gonna try to. Okay, so today is gonna be a different since it's chat with me. What can be the perks for chat with me? Top gifter. Mm-mm. I see. You guys, ganito na lang. Chat me, what if it's you get to choose a topic to your liking for the next chat with me live? Pwede. Pwede yun, pwede yun. As well as subscribers and what is it? There's another one. Top fan? Top? I forgot. And live na mamaya hap na sa ibang live. Yes, trophy, pero I think you should change your profile picture to a picture of me already. Thank you. Yeah, super bad. Yun. Ganun na lang. Okay. I'm gonna take note. I'm gonna think and then I'm gonna take note of that as well. Top yap. Yes, top yap. My favorite when people to do something what? Kailan ka ulit maglalay para kami o ulit kita? Mga pa saway. Um, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll update on the broadcast what time. Okay? Yes, Trophy, I think you have to change your profile picture to my picture. Okay. The difference between subs and super. For subs, I post some behind the scenes videos of things that I can't or don't usually post on my usual on the main. Na baka may magtampo. Oh, okay. I understand. Okay. Yes, and then for top fans, I think I don't I didn't really study it yet. I will though. Anyway, you can add a tower na lang on your name, yes. May things sa kasi ba? Oh, okay. Mga may mga bantay. Okay, okay. But who won kahapon sa badminton last night? No one. I think for me versus Fame, kasi we had games with the pro player. Yun, kanina. I played with Kyle, the one who commented a while ago. Thank you, PJ Nikki. And then I went against Fame and then another pro player. And to yun, they won because I wasn't in condition yet. Ilang hours kayo ng badminton? Grabe cardio nun. 1 hour lang ata. 1 hour and a half? Ay, boss, mabait po ako. Yes, you too, Henner. You too, Henner. You can add a tower on your emoji if you don't want to change your profile din naman. Thank you, Vincent. Thank you, Vincent, for the heart me. Thank you. Mwah. Si Vincent din eh. That's so nice. Thank you, Deborah, for the star map Polaris. Thank you. Thank you po. Okay, ano ulit yung gagawin ko? I promised something. What was it? The erm pose. Ba? Am I right? Erm. Is it correct? Yes, trophy. Is it right? Kwento mo yung mga naranasan mo nung bata ka. Naglaro ako ng mga Barbie doll, patintero, hopscotch, bicycle. I don't know. Naka-pledge allegiance pala siya. Yan siya na. I'm happy that you're here though. I'm happy that everyone's here naman. That's enough for me. Thanks for spending your time with me tonight, guys. Add more stickers. Okay. I'll add more stickers. Okay, okay, okay. Ang cute-cute niyo. Ang cute-cute talaga. Cute-cute niyo. Kawaii. Okay. I'm gonna end the live na guys. In 5 minutes pa pala. Nami pa pala. Kasi natatawa ako. Hihihihi. I want it to be 5 minutes. Ay, wala. Wala akong alam. I don't know about MPL that much. I'm sorry. I pledge allegiance to Cotton. Napadaan na pa ako. Okay. See you tomorrow, Trophy. Yes, please. See you tomorrow, Henner. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Buddy Cutie, for the next legends. Thank you po. Mwah. Oh my gosh, wait. Lobat yung isa kong phone. Wait. Ito mo na pala. Oh, wait. Next year? Ano next year? See you tomorrow. 1%. Hello. So, well, yes, in Phoenix. Phoenix yan siya. Hello. You guys know the drill. You can send these hearts. It's these hearts with the what to say? Sparkles. Yes. Hi, Bap. Oh no. Like that. Yay. Okay, and then I'm gonna post it on my story. What song should it be? Okay, I'm gonna end na Henner. Okay, let's do the post one last time. Okay. You guys know the drill. Did you know I don't do that? Jamie does that a lot, and I try not to do it. But you made me do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for 160.7k hearts, for 44 viewers with us tonight, and for your time with me today. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you, Trixie. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah. See you tomorrow.
Matulog na ba? Back 10 years later, please don't.
Ikaw talaga?
Injo, Injo.
Ano pa?
Hindi ko alam pag kasi sinali kita dito, malilipat. Dapat co-host ka,
Wala lang.
naka-live ka din, tapos unjoin ka.